Hi friends, here we are going to see how to install Python on Windows operating system. So friends, we are going to work with Python 3.x. So whether it is 3.x version or 2.x version, you can directly download from your official website called www.python.org. Let me open this website first, .python.org. Now guys, we want to download Python software, right? So we have here different types of options. As of now, I am going with the downloads because we need Python software. And here also, if you observe here, we have Windows, Mac OS, some other platforms. As of now, I am going to work with Windows, right? So now you can select Windows here, or directly it is showing the latest version of 3.x, that is Python 3.7.3. And note that Python 3.5 plus version cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. So you have to use the latest one. I mean Windows XP or latest one for your Windows, right? And anyway, here directly you can download this Python 3.7.3 or just click on view full list of downloads, right? Now here we have Windows, Linux or any other thing. So I am selecting Windows. Right now observe here, so in Python 3 the latest version as per today, this is one Python 3.7.3, and in 2 it is 2.7.16, right? So we are going to work with the 3.x, and you can go with either 3.5 or 3.6 or 3.7, right? I am going to select 3.7.0, that is my favorite version. You can take simply Python 3.7.3 also, no problem. I'm going to download Windows 86 64 executable installer, right? You can, if you want to select a web-based installer, you can select or zip file. So this is the best one for me. I am selecting this one. So my operating system is 64-bit Windows 10. Now it is okay with my operating system. Now I am downloading this. Yes, right. Let me open that file. Now just simply right click, or you can do 2 times click on your downloaded file, right? Or right click, then open or run as administrator. Yes, click on that. So guys, here if you observe, install Python 3.7.0 64-bit. Install now. Directly it will install your Python in this location, right? Somewhere here. I don't want to install in this location. I want to install in my required location, right? What I will do is I will go with custom installation, and also you can add your Python 3.72 path. So guys, if you are working with Python 3, I mean if you are installing Python 3, then only you will get this option. If you install Python 2, right, you won't get this option. Now I'm selecting this, and customization of your installation, just click on that. See that guys, add Python 3.72 path, then customize installation, nothing but I want to change my path, I mean where I want to install my Python software. So for that I am changing, instead of install now, I am going with customize installation. Then simply click on next. Now here, instead of this lengthy path, what I'm going to do is simply I'm installing somewhere here Python C directly. You can also provide your user home, there you can install, or simply you can provide your required path. I'm taking this one, just install. That's it, very simple. Not only this 3.7.0, any 3.x version is very simple to install, right? Yeah, once it is done, then I will show you. Just wait for some time. And anyway, meanwhile we will see one more thing in your official website, documentation guys. See here, documentation. So you have Python 3 X documentation as well as Python 2.x documentation. If you can download this, or by opening this you can go through your official documentation and you can learn your Python, right? So you have documentation for 3.x and 2.x in your official website itself. So if you want, you can go through that and you can learn your Python, right? Fine. Now once it is done, I want to show you one more thing. That is, once if your installation is done, then you have to cross check whether you successfully installed your Python 3.7.0 or not, or your required Python version, right? Now it's almost done. Just wait for some time, it will complete. Still it's taking time, just wait for some more time. Once it is done, then almost your installation is done, but we have to cross check, we have to verify. So I will show you that how to verify, right? Just give me some time so that our installation will be complete. Yes, now see that Python 3.70 add to path, so it's adding. Now it's almost done. Fine, setup was successful. Just to close it and just to open your command line, right? Simply run Python space your version. See that you are getting. Or you can also run simply Python space hyphen capital V, right? And you can also check pip. See that? So pip is nothing but if you want to install any required third-party Python modules, with the help of pip only you can able to install, right? Anyway, we'll see how to install and how to work with pip while going forward. For time being, just we are installing Python and then we are verifying whether we install your Python successfully or not, right? See, if you want to go with your installation location, just click on your C, this one. Anyway, I have Python 2.x as well, right? While going forward, sometimes I will show you what is the differences between your 3.x and 2.x. So for that I installed Python 2.x as well. So just now we installed this one, Python 3.x. So this is the Python software. Python, especially it is called interpreter, Python interpreter, right? So guys, this is the simple way to install your Python on your Windows operating system. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.